Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how you can actually use Salesforce. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and search for Salesforce, then click on Start for free. After that, they'll ask you to enter some of your information. You just have to fill in all the information as you can see. Just hit the next, add your company name, the company size, and country region, add your phone number and email, then click on Start my free trial. And after that, they'll send you an email to your Gmail that you have actually entered saying to verify your account. Tap on verify account. And after that, they will ask you to enter the new password of yours, and the password should contain letters and numbers. And here it will tell you what brings you to Salesforce. Now, you can use it in different ways. You can use it for sales, service, marketing, commerce, and so on. I'm going to use for sales, then I'm going to hit the next. Do any of these feels like familiar challenges? Let's say that I have the contacts and info are disorganized. So these are the questions that actually Salesforce use in order to customize your experience for Salesforce and to make it easier to you. And now once you open, here you have this interface. It might feel a little bit complicated, but do not worry. Here you have the home menu. On the left side, you have here the contacts. You can add all your contacts in this section right here. Below it, you have the accounts. You can add here all of your accounts. So you can simply click on add a contact and add a contact to your contact list. As you can see, you can add the name, the first name, last name, the account name, the title, the reports, and the phone number, the email. So this is how we can actually add a contact, or you can even import some contacts from your own PC or from your Google Drive and so on. You can import from file, you can sync with Google or Microsoft, you can import or update or export. So let's say that I will import from this one right here, and you can choose where do you want to import the data from. But here in my case, I will cancel it simply because I do not have actually something to import. But this is an option that you can actually do. You can even click on new in order to add a new contact if you want to do so. So here, as you can see, you can add a new contact, then click on save and new or save after you finish. And you can add to campaign, you can send email, you can assign label. And here on the left, as you can see, you have the name of the contact, the account name, the phone, email, contact honor list. So once you fill in all the information, it will be displayed right here. And now here you have the accounts on the left side. You can also add the account with the same way. You can simply click on add an account. Once you click on add an account, here you can see all the details. You can add the account name, website type, description, parent account, and the shipping address, billing, ZIP code, postal code, and so on. And after you're finished, click on save and new and save. And after that, you can simply see the account just right here, including all the info. And the good thing is that you can use this search icon in order to search for a specific account if you need to do so. You can here list the view controls by the new, clone, rename, sharing settings, and so on. And you can edit the list if you want to do so. You can even import from a file just like we did in the contacts. Here on the left side, you have also the sales. For the sales menu, you have here the accounts, opportunities, the products, the price books, and the calendar, which is actually very useful in order to integrate all your calendars just right here. And the good thing is that you can add a new event if you want to add it to your calendar, and you can import your calendar from Google Calendar, for example, or any other calendar applications that you have it. You can simply sync it with your calendar here on Salesforce. And on the top right here, you have the analytics, which will show all the analytics related to your work on Salesforce. And you can create your own analytics or import them if you need to do so. And here we have also the service menu. So each one of these categories, you will find more and more subcategories inside it, just like so on the top. You have here also the marketing, the commerce, the generative canvas. Here it will also show you the status of your own store or any products that you have. Here you have the generative canvas. You can upgrade in order to get these canvas. And finally, your account, including all things related to your Salesforce account. And now you can go to the settings on the top right side and add some users to your company, add some business details, billing and purchases, and so on. You can even open advanced setup and upgrade to the higher tier of Salesforce. So here in the home menu, we can go back to home. You can see here your opportunities, your contacts, your leads. You can see all these things on the left side, but in brief on the home menu. But here my case, because this is actually a brand new account, I do not have anything right here. But if you have your Salesforce and you have all these things filled in, you will have a very, very, very satisfying result. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.